Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mathematics Solutions. In this video we will do the question number 3 onwards of exercise 8.3 of chapter Trigonometry. Question number 3 is, if tangent 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. We have to find the value of a here, and 2a is the acute angle. So let's start. Tangent 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Now 2a is an acute angle, so acute angle means the angle greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So can we write tangent 2a as cot 90 degree minus 2a. Because value of cot 90 degree minus a is equal to tangent a, as we did in the previous video. The value of cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tangent theta, and tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Both are inverse of each other. So we can write tangent 2a as cot 90 degree minus 2a because its value is tangent 2a. Now compare the like quantities. We will left with 90 degree minus 2a, a minus 18 degree. 19 degree, bring 18 degree this side, and variable another side. A plus 2a is equal to 3a, and 90 plus 18 is equal to 108, or we can write as 3a is equal to 108. Therefore value of a is 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Value of a is equal to 36 degree. Now question number 4 is, if tangent a is equal to cot, we prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that these angle a and b are complementary angles. So let's start the solution. Tangent a is equal to cot b. As we did in the previous question, we will write tangent a as cot 90 degree minus a, because cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tangent theta. Now compare the like quantities. We get 90 degree minus a is equal to b, or 90 degree is equal to, this will go to another side, a plus b, or a plus b is equal to 90 degree. This is the result that we have to prove in question number 4. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is, if secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. These questions are almost similar, so we have to prove that if secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree, then find the value of a. Now secant can be written as cosecant 90 degree minus 4a, because cosecant 90 degree minus theta is equal to secant theta. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Now comparing the like quantity, we get 90 degree minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. 90 degree plus 20 degree. A, this 4a will go to another side and add in a. 90 plus 20 is equal to 110, 5a, or we can write as 5a is equal to 110, a is equal to 110 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Therefore a is equal to 22 degree. Next question is question number 6. If a, b and c are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, and C are the interior angle of triangle ABC, then show that sine b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. We have to prove that sine b plus c divided by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. We know that sum of all the interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all the interior angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is called the angle sum property of triangle. So therefore angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Now if we see here the trigonometric ratio that we have to prove, here we are having B plus C, so we will keep B plus C on left hand side and we will take A on the right hand side. Now here it is divided by 2, so we will divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. We get B plus C divided by 2, 180 degree minus A divided by 2. B plus C divided by 2, 180 degree divided by 2 and A divided by 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 90 degree minus A by 2. So we are left here with B plus C 9 divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Now here we have sine, so we will take the sine both sides. Taking sine on both sides, sine B plus C is equal to sine 90 degree minus A by 2. You can see that we have reached our answer on the left hand side, sine B plus C by 2 here. Now if we consider this as theta, then what is the value of sine 90 degree minus theta? Cos theta. So it is equal to cos A by 2. And this was the identity that we have to prove. Sine B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now question number 7 and the last question of this exercise is express sine 67 degree and cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degree. These are the angles 67 and 75. We have to convert it into trigonometric ratios whose between the angle 0 and 45 degree. So let's start. Sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. We know that sine, if we subtract 67 from 90, what we get? 10 minus 7 is equal to 3, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. It means that 67 can be written as 90 degree minus 23 degree, because when we subtract 23 from 90 we will get the value 67, sine 67. So we will adjust the value here now, but we subtract so that from 90 so that we get 75, 5 and 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So we will subtract 15 here. Now what is the value of sine 90 degree minus theta? We know that sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Therefore it is equal to cos 23 degree, and this is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta. Sine is theta is here 50 degree. So we have expressed this term in trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. These angles are between 0 and 45, and this is our answer. So with this exercise, with this question, this exercise has over. I hope you understand this exercise. If you have any question, please write me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like buttons of my video. Thank you.